Mr. Butterfield firmly believes he is the father of Cara, grounded in his past relationship with Miss Bracknell, during which they cohabitated and endeavored to start a family. His frustration is palpable as he grapples with revelations surrounding the concealed pregnancy. Conversely, Miss Bracknell contends that Mr. Dallas is Cara's biological father, supporting her claim with observations of physical resemblances and the timeline of her romantic engagements. She asserts that she was completely unaware of her pregnancy at the moment their relationship concluded. In an emotional display, Mr. Dallas conveys his unconditional love for Cara, asserting that her lineage does not alter his commitment to her well-being. He emphasizes that regardless of the eventual paternity outcomes, his dedication to the family remains steadfast. Notably, Miss Bracknell's history of concealing pregnancies casts a shadow of doubt over her transparency and the authenticity of her relationships with both men. This pattern of behavior complicates the intricacies of the ongoing paternity dispute. Amidst this, Mr. Butterfield ardently expresses his desire to engage actively in his daughter's life, while Mr. Dallas maintains that he is the only father figure Cara has ever known. This divergence underscores the intense emotional stakes inherent in their contentious dispute. The contrasting perspectives of both men regarding their past with Miss Bracknell reveal a deeper undercurrent of mistrust and unresolved tensions between them. This conflicts not only enhance the legal battles, but also amplify the emotional intensity of the court proceedings. The implications of potential paternity test results loom heavily, particularly for Mr. Dallas, who nurtured the belief that he was Cara's father. His anticipated reaction will likely reflect the profound connection he forged during her formative years. As discussions around co-parenting unfold, Mr. Butterfield's expressed intention to partake in Cara's upbringing highlights the multifaceted nature of today's familial dynamics. This willingness to be involved reflects broader societal shifts in parenting roles. Moreover, the palpable tension between Miss Caples and Mr. Harris reveals additional complexities in their relationship. This situation amplifies the difficulties related to parental recognition and the responsibilities each party must navigate. Jealousy emerges as a central theme that significantly colors the interactions and decisions made by all parties involved. The narrative illustrates how past relationships can cast long shadows over current family dynamics, especially when children are in the mix. The uncertainty surrounding paternity inevitably breeds tension among the individuals engaged in this dispute. The courtroom setting starkly illustrates the difficulties inherent in establishing biological connections, particularly amidst a backdrop of conflicting accounts and emotional distress. Furthermore, the absence of effective communication and mutual commitment exacerbates misunderstandings between the involved parties. This dialogue mirrors the complexities that often arise in relationships, particularly those involving children born outside traditional wedlock. The father's sentiments of exclusion are intensified by the mother's assertions regarding his perceived absence during the birth. Such claims effectively highlight the emotional upheaval that is often characteristic of custody disputes. Additionally, the mother's reluctance to integrate the father into the child's life provokes critical inquiries about the dynamics of communication and shared parenting responsibilities. These elements serve to complicate the relationship between both parents considerably. Ultimately, the court proceedings serve as a vital reminder of the importance of establishing paternity, carrying both legal and emotional weight. Determining biological parentage is not merely an administrative necessity. It is crucial for the child's identity and future stability.